Hi folks, Big Sal here, Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this Catalina Legacy Edition. It is a 333 RETS model. It's a monster. It's got the big propane tanks, powered tongue jack, nice storage area under here. It's not a pass-through, but it's a nice big area for storage. Outside hookup for a TV, nice big awning and outdoor speakers. It does have the solid step entry, which is new for this year, and the big handle, grab handle. Come on in and let's take a look. What a nice unit. Beautiful dinette, nice recliners, nice couch as well, beautiful little fireplace and nice little entertainment center. Lots of storage. There's cupboards and drawers everywhere in this unit. Up above here, there's even some more storage. I love it. It's really nice. Nice fridge, more storage over here. Plenty of storage, guys. Plenty of drawers. Upgraded faucet for this year as well, which is really a nice feature. Nice counter space. Nice flooring throughout all your central walk area. You got the linoleum flooring that's easy to keep clean and sweep up. Back here in our restroom, it's a Jack and Jill with the corner shower, medicine cabinet, beautiful. Skylight in there as well. And then here's the part you're really going to like. You got a fireplace in the bedroom, a nice big walk-around bed, and a lot of storage over here. You have your own closet. Look at all the space in there. There is a ton of space. You got to check this out. Storage in there. So if you're looking for some room in a bigger unit, this is the one. It's got lots of storage, lots of space. Beautiful unit. It's the lighter color wood. So if you like the lighter color woods, it's right up your alley. Like I said, fireplace in the bedroom too. Really nice. This unit is really well priced, along with most all of our units that we have here at Guarantee. If you're interested in this unit or any other unit and you have questions, concerns, please give me a call, Big Sal, 951-443-8323. Thanks.